If you're looking for fun ways to keep your kids entertained this Halloween without busting your budget, then you're in the right place, because today I'm sharing some of my favorite family-friendly Halloween games that are easy to make and super budget-friendly. These are games that my own kids loved growing up, and I think your family will love them too. So let's jump right in. The first game is an oldie but a goodie called Pin the Spider on the Web. It's played just like Pin the Tail on the Donkey, but with a Halloween twist. The items you need to make this game are 1 sheet of black poster board, a white chalk marker, a package of plastic spiders, some mounting putty, and of course a blindfold. Simply use the white chalk marker to draw a spider web on the black poster board. Then, to make the spiders stick to the board, just put a dab of mounting putty on the belly of the spider. If you don't have mounting putty, you might be able to substitute it with some painter's tape if you have it around. Then just start playing Pin the Spider on the Web, just like you play Pin the Tail on the Donkey. The child who gets the spider closest to the center of the web wins the game and wins a prize. And here's the thing, your prizes don't have to bust your budget either. The Dollar Tree store is loaded with all sorts of Halloween knickknacks kids love. Or you could simply hand out candy as prizes. Whatever works best for you. The second game is called Batty Buckets, and it's played just like Bozo Buckets. The supplies you'll need to make this game are 6 small plastic pails. Say that 10 times really fast. The 5-quart size usually works the best. Now, in the past, the Dollar Tree store would have orange plastic pails that were the perfect size, but I didn't see them in the local stores this year. They do, however, have a similar sized orange bucket at Home Depot, just for a few dollars. You'll also need a package of these creepy eyeball ping pong balls. You can get these at the dollar store too. Then have fun decorating the sides of your buckets using construction paper and some printouts of bats that you can always find online. You play Batty Buckets just like Bozo Buckets. When your child gets the ball into the bucket, they win a prize or a piece of candy. I usually set up just 3 buckets for toddlers, and then I add more buckets for the older children. The third game is Mummy Bowling. To make the bowling pins, just use 10 empty bottles of water wrapped with white party streamers. You can put all sorts of cute faces on them, either by printing up funny faces that you find online like I did, or you can simply draw the faces yourself. For the bowling ball, I used a small ball I found at the Dollar Tree store, but Walmart has them too for just a couple of dollars. Then just start having fun bowling. If your child gets a strike, they win a prize. Or just award prizes any way you want. The fourth game we enjoyed playing was the pumpkin pitch game, which is just like playing the cornhole toss game. I made this game using a trifold presentation board I got at Walmart. Then I simply painted a couple of pumpkins on it and used a razor blade to cut the holes for the mouth on the pumpkins. You can purchase a package of bean bags from Amazon for this game, or for a more economical approach, you can use small pumpkins like these that I found at the Dollar Tree store. The rules of the game are simple. Get the pumpkins or the beanbags through the 2 holes and win a prize. And the fifth game the kids really liked was what I called Witchy ring toss. To make this game, all you need is 1 piece of foam board, some black and yellow construction paper, a package of party hats, some black spray paint, and a few pipe cleaners. So basically, I just cut 5 large circles using the black construction paper. Then I spray painted the party hats black, and I cut out the buckle pieces using the yellow construction paper. Then I made the rings out of 2 to 3 pipe cleaners that I twisted together. So those are 5 different games you can easily make that don't take a lot of time, are very inexpensive, but are also a lot of fun for the kids. These games were a huge hit with my kids and their friends when they were young, and they even got pretty competitive with them too. Now, these aren't the only games you can play with your kids on Halloween. You can also maybe bob for apples, or you can set up a scavenger hunt around your home using the same spiders that you used for Pin the Spider on the Web game. Just hide all those spiders in areas all over your home. Put them in places where the spiders are actually in plain sight, but not really obvious. Then you send your kids in search of those spiders. The one that finds the most spiders in 5 minutes wins the scavenger hunt. Or another inexpensive activity you can do together this Halloween is to bake and decorate Halloween cookies or cupcakes. Just grab the frosting and sprinkles and have some fun. Or you can also enjoy a Halloween-themed movie together. In my house, we would turn off all the lights, pop a huge bowl of popcorn, and we'd watch an age-appropriate scary movie like Hocus Pocus or Casper or Beetlejuice or Harry Potter sometimes. So I guess what I'm trying to share here is that having loads of fun on Halloween doesn't have to bust your budget. Whether you want to host a party with a house full of children or simply offer your kids a little extra fun on Halloween, these simple, affordable, and really fun Halloween games are sure to be a hit with your kids. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to create memories that'll last a lifetime. So if you found any of these game suggestions to be helpful, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up by poking that like button below. And if you have any Halloween games or activities that your family really loves, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Have a fantastic and fun Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.